Hello everyone. Today in the video we want to answer one of the most asked questions, what expiration time to choose. Let's open trades for 10 seconds, 1 minute and 5 minutes and see how the bot performs on each trade. We select a currency pair and receive a signal from the bot to increase. Open the first deal and wait. A 10-second trade easily turns into a profit. Let's change the expiration time and open a second bid. We receive a signal from the bot to increase, open our trade and wait. The 1-minute trade also closed in profit. Well, let's set the expiration time to 5 minutes and get a signal from the bot. We receive a signal to increase, open a deal and wait. Three deal closed in positive territory. You can work with the bot at any time of experiment. You can see the result for yourself. You can get the bot using the link in the description absolutely free of charge. Start earning money today.